Complete chrome bolt disassembly. Assembly comes out in one piece. Unscrew the back cap that has little ball bearings here that hold the assembly in place. Washer for putting pressure on the spring. The spring holds the ball bearings out. Next is both the dump chamber and the valve stem. Completely hollow on the inside, very, very large pressure chamber. The bolt itself slides inside of the firing can. It has a bolt sail, just a couple of dynamic O-rings, very, very straightforward. Easy to get in and out, easy to lube up. Pretty idiot-proof. Just to make it easy, I put this on top. Complete, bolts complete. Got the stem at the very tip. You're good to go.